audio-visual integrated NVR. Talk, see, call, record. Is it an intercom? Is it a public address system? No. It is an audio-visual integrated NVR that combines two-way voice intercom and 64-channel broadcasting in one device. Say goodbye to the silent surveillance era. Synchronize audio and video preview. Takes your security experience to the next level. Built-in microphone and speaker eliminate the need for external audio devices, saving space and simplifying installation and use. No computer host required, significantly cutting costs. Connect the NVR directly to a monitor. Images appear instantly upon power up. No lengthy waiting. Two-way voice intercom is incredibly practical for parcel sign-off, workshop coordination, or campus paging. Just speak into the NVR and get real-time responses. No more back and forth hassle. World's first real-time two-way voice recording for both parties, enabling playback, evidence collection, and inquiry at any time. It also supports 64-channel synchronized broadcasting. One single message can reach all monitoring points simultaneously. Ideal for safety alerts and staff-student assembly notifications in large premises, eliminating the need for individual notifications. AI-powered intelligent security for unmatched accuracy supports detection of humans, vehicles, and pets. Features 6 core AI functions: line crossing detection, area intrusion, loitering, staff absence, vehicle illegal parking, and vehicle retrograde. Accurately identifies target and provides instant alerts for anomalies, easily meeting full scenario needs, such as supermarket anti-theft, hazardous area alerts, and no parking zone management. Supports one remote access to RIP cameras. IPC supports capture of faces, license plates, pets, and packages. Supports image-based search and text-based image search. Supports access to our license plate recognition IPS and precise video traceability IPS. Supports on-screen display data from 485 sensors. Supports threshold alarms for 485 sensors. Supports standard Modbus protocol sensors. Supports 485 transparent transmission triggering and 485 relay output. Robust configuration maximizes practicality. Supports 64-channel 4K input-output, ensuring crystal clear images without compromise. 64-channel simultaneous display provides an overview of the entire situation. Compatible with ONVIF, RTMP, RTSP, GB 28181 protocols. For multi-device adaptability, supports S265, H265, H264 triple stream decoding for more efficient storage. The audio-visual integrated NVR is available in various configurations. In GENIC-based models, 1 HDD 10/16 channels, 2 HDD 36 channels, 4 HDD 36 channels, RK3568 based models, 4 HDD 36/64 channels. New PO models added, 4 16-channel PO kits available, offering greater flexibility for security system setup. particularly convenient for camera deployment in areas with limited power access. Our NVR product lineup is extensive, covering 132 HDD and 4,196 channels, with a variety of models and enclosures to meet the requirements of security projects of all scales. Audio-visual integrated NVR. Redefine your security communication experience with integrated surveillance and broadcasting. Ultra-practical and highly efficient. Bring voice to your surveillance and enjoy hassle-free communication. Get yours now and unlock a smarter security solution instantly.